Dear students, we are going to learn a very amazing trick which is used to solve a certain set of questions from algebra. So let us see what this trick is. So this trick is used when the question is based on something known as symmetrical algebraic expression. Now what is this symmetrical algebraic expression? Let us see. So an expression involving some variables would be given. So suppose this is given. So question would be given that if this is true, then find so and so forth. So if you look at this expression carefully, it involves three variables A, B and C. So but if you see carefully, each variable is treated equally in terms of mathematical operations, symbols, powers. So each variable is treated equally. The best way to understand is that you choose any two variables among the given variables. So I choose A and C and I swap their positions. So if I swap their positions, what will happen? So in place of A cube, now I will have to write C cube. B cube will remain as it is. Instead of C cube, I will have to write A cube is equal to 3 into swap A with C. So 3CBA. So if you see properly, if you now rearrange this, A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. So even after swapping, the original expression did not change. So this is the real meaning of symmetry. Every variable is positioned, or mathematically every variable is given the same treatment. So if these kind of situation is created in question paper, or if this is given to you, you have to simply assume that A must be equal to B must be equal to C. There is no mathematical harm in assuming this. This is mathematically perfect. If you assume this, assume A is equal to B is equal to C, there is no mathematical you can say rule that is violated. So this is the trick, that as soon as you observe that the question is about a symmetrical algebraic expression, you simply assume A is equal to B is equal to C. Question will be solved then and there itself. So let us see. So before we proceed, let us try to understand the difference between symmetrical and non-symmetrical expression. Is this expression symmetrical? Look, three variables are involved. All the three variables are given equal treatment. Is this expression symmetrical? Look carefully, A, B. So A has partnered with B, A has partnered with C as well. So every variable is given equal treatment. Fine. Now suppose this A cube plus B cube plus A plus C cube plus B. Is this expression symmetrical? No, this expression is not symmetrical, because A cube has partnered with B, but A cube did not partner with C. So these kind of expressions are not symmetrical. Similarly, look here, is this symmetrical? No, because here this is A cube, here it is only square. So you have to understand which expressions are symmetrical and which are not. So every variable is treated equally and every variable interacts with every other variable in equal manner and terms. So let us see, is this expression symmetrical? If you exchange A with C or A with B, will there be any change? No. So this expression is symmetrical. It means you have to simply assume A is equal to B is equal to C and question will be solved. So if I assume A is equal to B is equal to C, so it would mean that this term is exactly identical to this term, because B can be written as A. So this would also become A plus 1. Similarly, all these three terms will become equal. So I can say that the given information is, instead of adding it 3 times, I will multiply it with 3. So I would say the given information is 1 by A plus 1 into 3 instead of adding it 3 times, I simply multiply it with 3. I would say this is given to me. So what does this mean? This means that 3 by 2 is equal to a plus 1. So from here a is equal to half, because 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5. So a is equal to half. So you have assumed a is equal to b is equal to c. So this means a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to half. So now if you substitute this value in whatever you are being asked to find, there is no mathematical rule that is broken. So if you are able to answer, then what is the harm? So let us substitute these values of a, b and c in the expression that you have been asked to calculate. So given expression is a square plus, now b square can also be written as a square, c square can also be written as a square. So I would say the given expression is 3 times a square. So a is equal to half. So 3 into 1 by 4. 3 by 4 is the answer. This is the correct answer. So the key to these type of questions is, as soon as you understand or realize that the given expression is symmetrical, immediately assume all variables to be equal. So let's take next one. This is given to us. Is this symmetrical? Yes, this is symmetrical. So I would say that the given information is a square is equal to, so before that I will have to assume that a is equal to b is equal to c, because this is the key to solving these kind of questions in easiest possible way. There are other methods as well, but here we are simply discussing how easy it becomes if you apply the concept of symmetry. So now I can easily assume a is equal to b is equal to c. There is no harm. So I would say that given information is this, which can be rewritten as a square is equal to b, can also be written as a, c can also be written as a. So I would say that this is given to me, which means a square is equal to 2a. So from here you can say that a is equal to 2. So I would say that I can easily assume a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 2. If you substitute and observe, the values fit perfectly. So a square is equal to b plus c. If you put a is equal to 2, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 2, values will fit perfectly. 2 square is equal to 4. 4 is equal to 2 plus 2, you can see. So fine. So this is what we have concluded. So based on this conclusion, you have to find the value of this expression. So what is this expression? Now see, this expression is also symmetrical. A plus 1, b plus 1, c plus 1. All the variables are given equal treatment. So I would say I have been asked to find 3 into, now this 3 terms, instead of adding this 3 times, you simply multiply this with 3. So I would say this is what I have been asked to find. So 3 into 3, 9. So 9 into 1 by a plus 1. So a is equal to 2. So 9 into 1 by 3. Final answer is 3. So this is the key. As soon as you see that the expression is symmetrical, assume all variables to be equal. Let's proceed. So you can see again a symmetrical expression is given. So you can rewrite this. A square is equal to b square is equal to c square. So I can say that 3 times of a square is given to be equal to, now ab can be written as a into a plus b is also equal to a, c is also equal to a. So this actually becomes a square plus a square plus a square. So you can see, if you assume a is equal to b is equal to c, the values fit perfectly. So all the mathematical rules are respected, no rule is violated. So basically the real meaning of giving this is that you should take a smart move and assume a is equal to b is equal to c and then solve whatever is being asked. So what is being asked? It is being asked to find the value of a plus c by b. So now assume a is equal to b is equal to c. So I would say that I have been asked to find a plus a by a. So this is 2a by a. So answer is 2. Let's proceed. Now have a look at this question. So this is again symmetrical. In fact, what you have been asked to find is also symmetrical. So let us see. The given information can be written as, after assuming A is equal to B is equal to C, the given information can be written as B into C is equal to A into A into B is also A into A, C into A is also A into A, ABC becomes A into A because A is equal to B is equal to C. So I would say that it is given that given A square plus A square plus A square, that means 3A square is equal to A into A cube. So from here A is equal to 3 is given. So A is equal to 3 is equal to B is equal to C. So A is equal to B is equal to C. All the three variables can be assumed to be equal to 3. So based on this assumption, you can calculate the value of the expression that you have been asked to, and answer will be correct. So this is the meaning of this concept. So this is what you have to find. So all these three terms, this term is equal to this term is equal to this term. So I would say that I have been asked to find B plus C by BC into A minus 1 3 times, multiply this by 3. So now replace B and C with A. So I would say this is equal to A plus A, that means 2A divided by B into C is A into A square into A minus 1 into 3. This is what you have been asked to find. This A and this A will cancel. So you would say that you have been asked to find 6 by A into A minus 1. So now substitute the value of A here. So 6 divided by 3 into 3 minus 1 is 2. So 6 by 6, answer is 1. Now look at this expression. This is again symmetrical. So if this is symmetrical, you can easily assume A to be equal to B to be equal to C, and there is no mathematical error in assuming so. So I would say the given information is AB can be written as A square, this can also be written as A square, this can also be written as A square. So A square 3 times is equal to 1. So I would say basically this is given, that A square is equal to 1 by 3. So based on this assumption, we have been asked to find the value of this. We have assumed A is equal to B is equal to C. So you have been asked to find 1 plus, now B square can be written as A square, A plus B can be written as 2A, B plus C can also be written as A plus A, that is equal to 2A. So I would say that I have been asked to find the value of 1 plus A square divided by 4A square. Now substitute A square with 1 by 3. So 1 plus 1 by 3 divided by 4 into 1 by 3. So this is nothing but 4 by 3 divided by 4 by 3. So answer is 1. Let's solve the next one. So P into Q into R is equal to 1. So P into Q into R is equal to 1. Only this much is given. So what is the harm in assuming P is equal to Q is equal to R? There is no mathematical error. All the variables are treated equally here. So this is what we have to do, and based on this assumption we will have to solve this. So what we have been asked to find, this term is equal to this term is equal to this term. So basically we have been asked to find 3 times 1 divided by 1 plus P plus Q to the power minus 1 means what? 1 by Q. Now PQR is equal to 1. So you can say P is equal to Q is equal to R, and all three are equal to 1 for this to be valid. So now you can easily substitute the value here. 3 into 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So 3 into 1 by 3, answer comes out to be 1. So without getting into difficult algebraic expansions and all, suppose you would have tried a traditional method on this one, it would have taken you at least 2 minutes. Let's move to next one. So you can see this again is a symmetrical expression. X, here x, y, here z, here z. Now look here, 2y, 2z, 2x. Every variable gets equal opportunity. Here minus z, minus x, minus y, equal opportunity. So these three terms are equal to k. So there are four terms, all terms are equal to each other, and it is given that x plus y plus z is not equal to 0, and based on this we have to find the value of k. So k is equal to any of these terms. So all these terms are equal to k. We have to find k. That means basically we have to find value of any single term. Expression is symmetrical, means you can easily assume x is equal to y is equal to z. You have to find the value of k. So basically k is equal to any of these terms. All three terms are equal. So I would say that k is equal to, let's take this term, x divided by x plus 2y. Now 2y can be written as 2x because y is equal to x. Z can be written as x, so minus z should be written as minus x. So I would say that k is given to be equal to x divided by x plus 2x, 3x, 3x minus x, 2x. So comes out to be equal to half. Let's see this one. So it is given that, look, this is what is given. X is equal to a minus b, y is equal to b minus c, z is equal to c minus a, and this is what you have to find. So what is given is also symmetrical, what you have to find is also symmetrical. So you can easily assume that the variables involved here are equal. So you can assume that a is equal to b is equal to c, and similarly x will also be equal to y will be also equal to z, and it will be equal to 0 because a minus b can be written as a minus a, so a minus a is equal to 0. B minus c can be written as b minus b because c is also equal to 0. So all these terms are equal to 0. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. So once you have reached this conclusion, it will hardly take you 5 seconds to solve this. So x cube, that means 0 cube, plus y cube, 0 cube, plus z cube, that means 0 cube, minus 3 into x, y, z, 3 into 0 into 0 into 0. So final answer is 0. So students, if you prepare with Vidya Guru, you will see that we teach in a way so that you stay ahead with competition, because everybody nowadays teaches same thing. So to stay ahead of competition, you need these kind of special skills, special shortcuts should be taught to a student who is really ambitious. So before I proceed any further, I would like to inform you that you can visit our website. This is our URL. If you are preparing for any prestigious exam like SSC, CGL or banking or CDS, CLAT, or maybe state level civil services exams, so we have specially designed courses by expert teachers. So if you visit our website, you can find all the details related to a particular course. That means how many hours of video would you be getting. So everything is crystal clear. So if you visit our website, so it will be, I would say that an eye opener for you. So you will immediately realize that how Vidya Guru is different from any other preparatory platform. So here are our telephone numbers. If you need any further details, if you feel like talking to us, you can call on these numbers as well. So kindly do visit our website. It will be in best of your interest, and you will feel that this is one of the best decisions you have made today. So let us proceed now. So you see this expression is symmetrical. What you are asked to find is also symmetrical. So you can easily assume, without any fear of being wrong, you can assume that A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to what we will see. So given information changes to 3 times, because this term is equal to this term is equal to this term. So I can easily write 3 multiplied by A by 1 minus 2A is given to be equal to half. So from here a by 1 minus 2a is equal to 1 by 6. So 6a minus 2, so 8a is equal to 1, or a is equal to 1 by 8. So you can say that a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 1 by 8. So now based on this assumption, you have to find the value of this expression. So this expression is also symmetrical. There are 3 terms. So instead of adding 3 terms separately, I would say that I have been asked to find 3 times of 1 by 1 minus 2a. What is the value of a? 1 by 8. So this comes out to be equal to 3 by 1 divided by 1 minus 2 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4. So this is 3 by 4. So 3 into 4 by 3. 3 cancel. Answer is 4. Now look here. This expression is symmetrical. A minus b. Here a plus b, here b minus b, b plus c, same variables, every variable is treated equally. So basically there is a big hint that the best way to solve this is assume all variables to be equal. So if all variables are equal, so it means the given information is x is equal to a minus a, so 0 by something, so x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. So based on this, now solve this. So x is equal to 0. So we have to find 1 plus 0 by 1 minus 0 multiplied by itself 3 times. So this cube, this is what we have to find. So 1 cube is equal to 1. Why here cube? Because this is multiply symbol. Same thing multiplied with itself 3 times. So that's why cube. Now look here, this again is symmetrical. 2y, 2z, 2x. Every variable has got equal opportunity. So here x, y, z, equal opportunity. Minus x, minus y, minus z, equal opportunity. So simple meaning, assume x is equal to y is equal to z and do whatever they are asking you to solve. So then what is the question? What is each ratio equal to? Each ratio means each term equal to. So each term, so first term x by 2y. So 2y can be written as 2x because y is equal to x. Z can be written as x. Minus x should be written as it is. So this is actually equal to half. So you can see how easy this kind of question becomes. Now look at this one. Is this expression symmetrical? A square, b square, c square with negative sign, equal opportunity. So if a is involved above, so b and c are present below. Here b is present above, a and c are present below. C is present above and a, and I think here it should be b only, then it would make sense. So this is the correct question. So now we have to find the value of x. So this means expression is symmetrical. So assume a to be equal to b to be equal to c and then solve whatever they are asking to. So I would say that the given information is 3 multiplied by x minus a square divided by, so b square is also a square, c square is also a square. So I can write a square plus a square 2a square. So I would say this is what is given. So this 3 and this 3 cancels. So x comes out to be equal to 3a square. So x is equal to 3a square. So which option should be chosen? This is minus 3a square, cannot be true. This is 3a because a plus b plus c, a plus a plus a 3a. So this is also not true because actual answer is 3a square. Similarly this is also not true. So this is true, a square plus a square plus a square. Taker thing. Let us see this one. Is the given expression symmetrical or not? X square, y square. Here y square, z square, here z square, x square. Equal treatment. Here z plus 1, here x plus 1, here y plus 1. Every variable have got equal opportunity. So you can easily assume x is equal to y is equal to z and then try to solve this. So I would say after assuming this, the given information becomes x square plus x square. So 2x square is equal to z plus 1 can be written as x plus 1. I would say this is what is given to me. So from here 2x square minus x 1 is given to be equal to 0. So from here 2x plus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here x comes out to be equal to minus half or 1. So what we have to find? We have to find x, y, z. That means x into x or x cube. So we have to find x cube. So what can be the value of x cube? Minus 2 cube. So x cube, two different values, minus 1 by 8 or 1. So minus 1 by 8 or 1. So this is the correct answer. Now let's have a look at this one. This is again symmetrical. Just by looking you can say this is symmetrical. So there is no harm in assuming A is equal to B is equal to C and then solve it. So I would say the given information is this term is equal to this term is equal to this term. So I would say the given information is 3 times x minus a square divided by b plus c can be written as a plus a, that is 2a is equal to 4 times a plus b plus c can be written as a plus a plus a. So 4 into 3a. This is what is given. So let us see. We have to find x. So let us solve this. So this 3 and this 3 are cancelled. So I can say that x minus a square divided by 2a is equal to 4a. So from here x is equal to 4a into 2a is equal to 8a square and this a square get transferred. So 9a square. So x must be equal to 9a square. So which option is acceptable? So this is a plus a plus a. So 3a square. So this is 3a whole square. So equal to 9a square. So this can be accepted. So what is the problem with others? Let us see. So a square plus a square plus a square. So this is 3a square. Not acceptable. So this cannot be answered. This is a square plus a square plus a square. Again 3a square. Not acceptable. This is a square plus a square plus a square minus a square minus a. So this is 0. Not acceptable because we know that the correct answer should be equal to 9a square. So option A is the correct option. So let's solve one more, last one. The value of x which satisfies the given equation. So if you look properly, a square, here b square, here it should have been c square. So c square, here it is 2c square, here 2a square, here 2b square. So given expression is symmetrical. So I would say I can assume a is equal to b is equal to c and then I can solve this. So I would say it is given that 3 times x plus a square plus 2c square can be written as 2a square divided by b plus c can be written as a plus a. This is given to be equal to 0. So this means x plus 3a square divided by 2a is equal to 0. So from here it means that x plus 3a square must be equal to 0. So from here x must be equal to minus 3a square. So which option is correct? Minus 3a square. This option is correct. So dear student, before I end this video, I would again like to remind you that there are many different types of discounts that are currently to be availed on our website. So Vidya Guru has constantly given a high success rate as compared to its peer, or you can say other preparatory platforms. So before starting preparation or before subscribing to any course, I would again request you that you should at least visit Vidya Guru's website at least once. It will be a life turning experience for you, I can guarantee or I can assure you, because the study material and the teachers are selected through a thorough selection procedure. So now see, So if you have liked, I request you to subscribe the channel, and if you have liked this video, please hit the like button, because it acts as an encouragement for teachers, because it takes a lot of effort to carefully select questions. And even if you didn't like anything about this video, do comment in the comment section below, and do let us know what changes we can make for your benefit. And if you want us to prepare videos on any specific topic, you are most welcome to comment the name of that topic in the comment section below. So before I end this video, I again request you to please subscribe to our channel.